well, this is the car I would have built back then, but they just didn't have the technology. So it's actually weighs less than the This is a very limited production. P25 comes with ProDrive. 25 cars are going to be made. Carbon fibre bodywork, weighs 1,200 kilos. Is it an actual supercar? Well, this is a different car to what you think you're looking at. You think you're looking at a standard 911 Turbo. What you're actually looking at is a car that has been disassembled. Is it your car? No.
Fancy engine, isn't it, mate?
I'd have believed you, but Richard...
I know it's Pagani, it's like some...
Yeah, it's a new...
Wow.
They're only releasing a few of those.
This is a car that even now looks so futuristic. Never mind what people thought of it in the 1970s.
Get that in the back of the car.
Bespoke as a Savile Row seat. We're all very envious of getting over there. The rain there, tricky condition. Yes, it actually seems even wetter. Something often happens here. Just south down from the truck, but down towards the windscreen wipers on. But of course, almost complete. There's the finish line. Then there's a long run.